It's a great way to add secure. Ooh. Okay, clearly not a multitasker. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for watching the HomeAutomationX channel. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of boxes here, and if you've watched our previous unboxing videos, you know this one's going to be a giveaway to one lucky viewer. And also, I have a little special treat for you guys in this video as well. Everything in this video can be yours. All you need to do is to be subscribed to the channel, which will give you a chance to win everything. We could keep these products, but it's our choice to give them away to you guys. There is no purchase necessary, and you only need to be subscribed. However, if you want to support our channel, you can do so on our Patreon page, which will also give you access to our videos in advance and exclusive content like our bloopers. You only need to enter our contest once, and you're good for all future unboxings. So we will pick our winner from the growing pool of entries. Click on the link in the description box below to get the details on how you can win all of these products. Okay, so let's start off with the first box over here. Now remember, if you guys want to win any of these products, make sure you guys check out the link down below in the description box, and it has all the details in there. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, so this is my absolute favorite one. So this is the floodlight camera. It's by Litmore, and it has the two LED floodlights, and it has a 2K HD camera, giving you better quality over the 1080p cameras. It also has full color night vision, which I think is really cool, and it comes with a 32 gig SD card with a max of 128 gigs that you can put in, so you don't have to worry about purchasing any subscriptions or anything like that. Let me show you guys as we speak here. It's a great way to add secure. Okay, clearly not a multitasker. It's a great way to add security to your house. Should we do a dedicated video on this, guys? Would you guys like to learn more about it? Let me know. This is my favorite guy. I'll put it away before I break it, and nobody gets it. So let's do the second box here. Another big box we got. And I wonder what's here. Oh, okay. So this is the NVR security system by Mcrest. So let me just show you guys what comes with it. We're also giving one of the cameras, the 4K cameras here, and with it is our full NVR system here. Let me show you guys the inside. We reviewed this last year. I'm not sure if you guys remember. You can definitely check out our video if you don't remember. Now, let me try to take this out. Okay. It's a lot of stuff happening here. Okay. So this guy right here, we thought we would give it away for free. We appreciate our viewers, and we wanted to give this to you guys. And it has a 4K network video recorder with a 2 terabyte hard drive. So we're including this 4K bullet camera, which gets powered over the Ethernet cable. So this is a great system for you guys in order to get your home security started. Now I'm going to put this away here before I break it. Very fragile stuff in this giveaway. And it comes with power adapters and also a mouse. Okay, so our next box, good sized, nice and manageable. I wonder what's in here. All right, so this is the Ion Wireless Fast Charging Stand Charger by IoT. It's QI certified wireless fast charger for all the latest phones and QI enabled devices. The Ion wireless stand is designed with a 65-degree tilt that allows for viewers content while charging wirelessly at home or in their office. And it has a soft feather fabric wrapped around the design, which coordinates well with the home decor. It's nice and cute, just like that. We also gave this away in one of our previous videos. Yeah. Okay. Now, this one feels special. Let's see what's in here. So remember, if you guys want to win, make sure you check out the description box below. We have a link. Now, this one. Yes, it is our t-shirt. So this is our way of saying thank you for watching our videos, guys, and we really appreciate all of your support. And if you support us, you can wear this around your house and watch our shows. Okay. Now, it may smell like me now. Let's see what's in our second last box. So this is the 1080p projector by HomeAutomationX. So there's like stuff everywhere. We also reviewed this last year, and we really appreciate our viewers, so we wanted to give this away to you guys. If you yet haven't seen that video, make sure you guys check out our videos. They'll be linked towards the right at the end of this video. But be careful. This is our projector right here. So it's a great way for watching movies and sports on our larger surface. We put the links down below for more information. It comes with a power adapter, it comes with a little remote and everything. And yes, okay, last box. Is it just me, or do you guys make funny faces when you guys are doing things too, like opening up a box? Those weird funny faces you make? Just notice us making those. Okay, so this is the so again, we did a review on this already, and we did it last year. So we also thought, why not give this away to you guys? It is the wireless headphones and speakers from Arcure. You can listen to music for up to 45 hours, and they are foldable, so they're easy to carry around, and also has built-in microphone for hands-free. There we are. So there is our massive tech unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the products. My favorite is the first two, the NVR and the floodlight. What are your favorites, guys, and what do you guys want to win? Make sure you guys check out the links if you guys do want to win these products. I wish you guys all the best of luck. And also, if you guys want to learn more about any of these products or any of our other products that we do reviews on, check out the rest of our videos here on the right. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to check our website, HomeAutomationX.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.